Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I make this delicious coconut meat pie. So if you are interested, let's get started. So guys, I will start by sieving my flour, and I'm using all-purpose flour, and I'm also going to list the measurement and the ingredients that I use for this recipe. I will leave it in the description box below so you can check it out if you want to make this recipe. So I'll start by adding some salt, baking powder, sugar, nutmeg, and some coconut flour. I'm just going to mix everything together properly. So now I'm going to be adding my butter. I'm using room temperature butter. So I'm just going to mix everything until I get a nice and crumbling texture. So now I'm going to be breaking my eggs. Then I will give it a nice whisk. In my bowl, I'm going to make a well in the middle. Then I'll pour my egg. I'm going to be adding the coconut milk bit by bit until I get the nice consistency that I want. So now I'm just going to sprinkle some flour in my working surface. So I'll start to knead the dough. I'm just going to be kneading this dough. You don't need to overwork your dough. Just knead it a little bit. Then I'll use a cling film to wrap it. Then I'll leave it in my refrigerator for about 20 to 25 minutes. So guys, if this is your first time in my channel, you're welcome. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. So guys, for the filling, I'm going to be using some coconut oil. I'll be adding about 2 tablespoons of coconut oil in my frying pan. Then I'm going to saute my onions for about 1 minute. I'll be adding my ground beef. I'm just going to stir everything together. Now I like to cook for about 1 minute. Then before I start adding black pepper, beef stock, garlic, and some chili pepper. I'm going to stir everything together. I'll just allow it to cook for about 6 to 8 minutes. So now I'll be adding the carrots, the chopped potatoes, and I'll make sure that I stir everything together properly. I'm just going to add water, then I'll stir everything together. I'm just going to cover it, then I will allow it to cook for about 10 minutes. For the filling, I'm going to be using 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. I will be mixing it with water. You don't want it to be too thick or too light. So I'm just going to pour in the flour that I mixed. I'll be adding some coconut milk to give it more taste, so that we can achieve that coconut filling in our meat pie, because we are making coconut meat pie. So I'm going to be using 1 egg for my egg wash. I'm just going to break it and whisk it and set it aside. So I'm just going to sprinkle some flour in my working surface, and I'm going to divide the dough into the size that will be easy for me to work with, and I'll be rolling the dough into a circular shape so that I will get this perfect shape that I really want. So guys, if you have watched to this moment, thank you so much. Thank you so much. And please guys, if you want to be part of this family, hit that subscribe button, and remember to also set that notification bell to all, so that anytime I upload a video, you will always get a notification bell that Sade Ella has uploaded a new video, so that you can be part of this family. In this channel, we cook different kinds of delicious recipe. You don't want to miss that, so remember to set the notification bell to all. Thank you. So as you can see, I'm using my plate to get this perfect shape, as you can see. So I'm just going to be using the egg wash to rub the dough around, so that will help the meat pie to seal properly. You have to close it properly so that your meat pie will not open during the cooking process. So as you can see what I'm doing, you just use your fork to close it properly. In this way your meat pie will be safe. So I'm just going to be putting in my pan. So here is the pan that I'm going to be using. So guys, I've finished rolling the meat pie. As you can see, I'm just using the egg wash to rub all the meat pie so that you achieve this golden brown color. So I'm just going to put the meat pie in my oven. I will set my oven to 180 degrees. I'm just going to bake this meat pie for 20 minutes. All depends on your oven. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video with another delicious recipe. This is the end result. So beautiful, nice looking, and tastes so good. Bye bye.